Tenses, future perfect. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Complete the sentence. By this time tomorrow, I complete the project. Answer. By this time tomorrow, I will have completed the project. Choose the correct form. They finish the work by next week. Answer. They will have finished the work by next week. Fill in the blank. He leave by the time you arrive. Answer. He will have left by the time you arrive. Rewrite the sentence using future perfect. She completes her studies by next year. Answer. She will have completed her studies by next year. Correct the sentence. By next month, we will finish the training. Answer. By next month, we will have finished the training. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.